G'day, Leon here from Sparesbox. So today, just taking the opportunity to one of the last steps of my Peugeot 205, changing over the old starter motor, obviously high compression motor now, getting a hard workout. So we're taking out the old one, 30-year-old 1989 version. You can see here it's pretty crusty. It is a Valeo, it's the original one, and we're replacing it with this unit here, which is also a Valeo, but it's actually, this is a 1 kilowatt, this is 1.2 kilowatts, smaller, lighter, about 1.5 kilos or half the weight, and probably substantially cheaper than what it costs to make. So sometimes people say, oh, why does the replacement part look different to the original part? So the reason these parts are different, even though they have the exact same fitting points, this is an OE spec, it actually has a multi-fit gear teeth. So this is a 9 gear teeth, this has a 10 gear teeth, but it's a multi-fit between 9 and 13. This model fits like 205, 309, 405, so about 4 different models. So they get more volume in manufacturing, so they can actually make it lighter and cheaper, and basically just a better engineering solution. So sometimes your OE parts, even though they look different, you're like, hey, why am I getting an OE part that's different? They can, over time, bearing in mind this is a 1989 car, look quite different, but actually be the new OE replacement part. So my little ISO project today, I'm going to put this in. Last step in the process, so it's all wired up, it starts. This would hopefully handle the starting duties a lot better, so I'm excited to get it in and have a reliable starting car off the battery for the first time in 10 years. Exciting times.